Hello all, welcome back to ArcSight Default Content Series, Episode 2, Default Content in ESM. How to use the default content in ESM. The first step would be to download the packages from the OpenText ESM Default Content Marketplace. You can download both the Security Threat Monitoring and the Threat Intelligence Platform package. Once you have downloaded the zip files, extract the contents of the zip files into folders. Each folder contains the .arb file and the release notes. The next step would be to import the default content package into the ESM. In this scenario, I'm using ArcSight Java Console 7.6. In order to import the package, in your navigator, go to the packages and click on import. Select the packages that you want to import and start the import. I'm importing the Threat Intelligence platform now. Once the packages are imported, ensure that all the packages related to ArcSight default content are installed under ArcSight Foundation folder. The Security Monitoring Base, the Security Monitoring Base Active List, the Security Threat Monitoring, and Threat Intelligence Platform. The next step would be to enable the rules of ArcSight default content. In order to enable the rules, go to Resources and choose Rules in the navigator. All the rules are installed under ArcSight Foundation folder, under Security Threat Monitoring and Threat Intelligence Platform. Some of the rules are enabled by default. However, some of the rules are not enabled by default and they can be enabled as per your environment. In order to enable the rules, select the rule that you want to enable and right click and click Enable Rule. We can also enable multiple rules at the same time. Select the rules that you want to enable and right click and select. Once you have enabled all the rules that you would like to monitor in your environment, your system is ready. So the next is, what does these rules contain? Every rule contains set of conditions. You can check the conditions under the conditions tabs of the rule. When these conditions are met by an event, then this rule triggers. The next step would be to monitor the alerts. In order to monitor the alerts, navigate to Active Channels, and there are multiple active channels that are already created. If you want to specifically monitor the MITRE related triggers, then you can choose the MITRE attack active channel under the ArcSight Foundation MITRE attack folder. All the rules where the conditions are met are triggered here. Suppose you want to identify more information about this rule, then double click on this rule and you can get more information and details apart from what you see in the active channel here in the event inspector. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of information. For example, all the destination parameters, the file names and the file paths, and also some additional information. You can also see the information about the base event here. Let me take another example here. the Windows firewall rule discovery rule is triggered. And as you can see, the category fields are populated, the address fields are populated, the destination parameters are populated, the file names are populated, and other information along with the base event. It's the same for all the rules here. Also, for all the Windows rules, the device custom string for process command line contains the exact command that was run in order to launch the attack. That information is recorded in the device custom string for process command line. So that's about monitoring the alerts. So thank you all. See you in the next video.